What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back. Today's video is brought to you guys by GhostSend, and we're taking a look at their smart plugs. Now, this is really awesome because for only around $30, you can go ahead and get yourself 4 smart outlets that you can control to do anything. It works with Amazon, it works with Alexa, it works with Google Home, and IFTTT. That's the If Then This That Thing app that basically allows you to automate your entire house. So you can set it so, like, if I come home and my GPS signal reads that I'm home, then turn on every single light in the house and turn on the washing machine. You could do that. It also controlled directly via Wi-Fi. You can control your devices from anywhere in the world, whether it's timing your home appliances and having things start all on their own, or customizing schedules for, turning on your light at exactly 6 o'clock because that's when the babysitter comes to your house or something of those sorts. You're pretty much set to go. It's super safe. It has an on and off button at the top. It has a premium PCBA board and it's flame retardant shell. So if you're using this in a kid's room or something of those sorts, you're pretty much set to go. It only comes in at 2 inches. It plugs in nice, and it's not going to be one of those annoying outlets that are absolutely massive, hogging up 2 different outlets even though without using them. So it's pretty much good on top of that, since you can control all your devices from one cool little app, and that's really awesome. My favorite thing is voice functionality, so you can literally say, Alexa, turn on the desk light, and you're pretty much good. Or you can even tell Alexa, turn on every single light outside, and it will go ahead and do that. There is absolutely no hub required, and it does require Android 4.4 or iOS 8 or above, but pretty much you're set to go, and you can control this, and you can manage up to 50 different electronic devices all around the world. You could be 10,000 miles away. You could be in space. As long as you have a Wi-Fi connection, you can go and set a timer, create a schedule, or simply tap a simple app and turn the light on inside of your bathroom. How cool is that? The only downside I would say is it only supports 2.4 gigahertz networks at this time, but the really big upside is that unlike a lot of other things where one little outlet costs $30, in this case, you actually get 4 different pieces of outlets, which is really awesome. Now, last but not least, I would say that this thing is a nice solid 10 out of 10. It works very similar. I've tested many outlets, but my really favorite thing is that it's not bulky. It's so tiny. It's like the size of, it's super small. It's the size of one outlet, and it's not taking up 2 different outlets. It doesn't hog down. It doesn't randomly fall off the outlet like I've had other ones happen. It's pretty much good in terms of that. Its rated voltage is 125 volts. Its rated current is 10 amps, and its AC frequency is 2.4 gigahertz with a max power of 1200 watts. It's pretty awesome, and it works very well. Go ahead and check it out in the link below. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If so, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Enjoy scheduling all of your house to be automated. This is going to be me logging off.